Raken doesn't list a fixed public price because the cost is customized based on company size, number of users, and which construction field reporting tools a contractor needs. By the end, you'll understand how Raken pricing works, what actually affects the cost, and whether it makes sense for contractors compared to other construction management tools. Raken is construction field management software used to handle daily reports, time tracking, safety logs, photo documentation, and job site communication in one system. Instead of a flat subscription, pricing is structured as custom plans based on business needs. Now, explain plan structure. Raken uses tier-based access where different plan levels unlock different construction field tools. Lower tiers focus on daily reporting, time tracking, and basic field documentation, while higher tiers are built for advanced reporting, analytics, and team-wide job site coordination. Now explain what affects pricing. The biggest factor is feature access, because advanced reporting, analytics, and workflow tools are typically included in higher tier plans. The second factor is team size, because more users means more field workers, supervisors, and project managers accessing the system. Now explain what you are actually paying for. You're paying for a field reporting platform that replaces paper daily logs, spreadsheets, separate time tracking apps, and manual job site reporting systems. That matters because contractors often compare Raken to the combined cost of multiple tools instead of a single platform. Now explain who uses it. Raken is mainly used by construction companies, general contractors, and field teams that need real-time job site reporting and consistent documentation across projects. Now explain why pricing feels unclear. Pricing feels unclear because there is no public pricing page, and every quote depends on how many users and features are included in a specific setup. Now explain common misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is expecting Raken to have a fixed monthly price, when in reality, it scales based on both features and team size. Now explain decision logic. The real way to evaluate Raken pricing is to compare how many separate tools it replaces in your workflow instead of trying to find a single number online. Now explain limitation. A limitation is that smaller contractors may not use the full reporting and analytics system, which can make the platform feel expensive compared to simpler daily log apps. Now, simplify it. Raken pricing is based on construction reporting complexity, not a one-size subscription that fits every contractor. Here's the simple breakdown. Smaller teams usually only need daily reporting and time tracking, while larger teams benefit more because they can standardize reporting, documentation, and job site communication in one system. Do this next. List your current tools for daily reporting, time tracking, photo documentation, and job site logs. Then compare them to what Raken replaces in one platform. If Raken replaces multiple systems, the cost becomes easier to justify. If it only replaces one or two tools, a simpler field reporting app may be the better fit.